Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. I'm happy you're here today. In today's story, we follow Anna through a simple day in America. There is no power, no lights, no internet, but something special happens. Through small moments, coffee with a friend, shopping downtown, and a phone call, Anna learns something important about life and connection. So relax, listen slowly, and enjoy this gentle story. Let's begin. I need coffee. Coffee first. What? Come on. Oh no. No power? This is bad. I need to call.
Good morning. City Electric. This is Michael. How can I help you?
Hi. My power is not working.
I'm sorry, that's not good. What is your address?
214 Elm Street.
Thank you. One moment, please. Okay, I see the problem. A tree fell on the power line last night from the storm.
Oh, is it dangerous?
No, you are safe. Don't worry, but we need time to fix it.
When will the power come back?
Tonight, between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m.
All day? Okay. I understand.
Sorry for the problem. Have a good day.
Thank you. No power all day. Well, I need to be creative now. Hi, Maria. Come in.
Hi, do you have power?
No power until tonight.
Same at my house. My phone died at night. My alarm didn't work. I didn't know the time.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I asked my neighbor. So embarrassing. But I'm not late today. What are you doing?
I want to make coffee without the machine. Want some?
Really? How?
I have a gas stove. I can boil water. Then I use this filter.
Oh, like the coffee shops?
Yes, I got this as a gift. I never used it before.
You're lucky. My stove is electric. I can't cook anything. I ate a granola bar for breakfast.
Oh no, come here for breakfast next time.
Really? You're so nice. How does this work?
It's easy. Put the filter here, add the coffee, then slowly pour hot water. The water goes through into your cup.
Sounds relaxing.
Yes, it's slower than a machine, but it's nice. You have to pay attention. Perfect. Watch.
Wow, that smells so good.
I know. The smell is stronger when you do it by hand.
Can I try?
Yes, pour slowly. Not too fast.
This is fun, like science.
Yes.
This is really good.
See, the old way is good. No technology needed.
You know what? I'm not angry about the power now. I use my phone all the time. Emails, social media, everything. It's nice to just stop.
Me too. No TV, no internet, but it feels peaceful, quiet.
Yes! No notifications. No checking what everyone is doing. Just us. Talking. When was the last time we did this?
I don't remember. We're always so busy.
Maybe we should do this more. Once a week. Turn off our phones. Make coffee. Talk.
I like that idea.
Here's to power outages.
I'm happy the power is out today.
Want to go out? We can walk downtown. The stores have power.
Yes, I need new clothes. And staying home is boring.
Good. There's a store called Evergreen Basics. I like it. Good prices.
Let's go. This is nice. Soft.
They have good t-shirts and jeans here.
$28. Not bad. Can I ask them to make it cheaper?
Oh, no, you can't do that here. In America, the price is fixed. You pay what the tag says.
Really? No bargaining?
No, not in regular stores. People would think it's strange.
Interesting. In my country, you can bargain in many places.
Yes, I heard that about other countries. But here, the price is the price. But this is good. You can ask about sales.
What's the difference?
You can't say, "Can I pay $20 instead of $28? But you can ask, "Is this on sale?" That's normal.
Okay, so I can ask about sales, but not change the price?
Exactly. Also, look for signs like 20% off. That's very common. And if you give them your email, you usually get a discount code.
Good to know. Let me ask. Excuse me. Oh, is this shirt on sale?
Yes. 20% off all t-shirts this week. So that's about $22.40 plus tax.
Oh, great. Thank you.
No problem. And if you buy $50 or more today, you get another 10% off everything.
Wow, that's good. Thanks.
Sure. Tell me if you need help.
See? Easy. Just ask about sales.
He was very nice.
Yes, most workers are friendly here. Oh, and always try clothes on before you buy. American sizes are different in every store.
What do you mean?
A medium in one store can be different from a medium in another store. Ugh, it's annoying. So always try it on first.
That is annoying. Ugh, but good to know.
Also, check the return policy. Most stores let you return things in 30 days if you keep the receipt and tags.
Really? That's convenient.
Yes, very normal. So if you don't like it at home, you can return it or exchange it.
Okay, I'll try this on. Be right back. What do you think?
That looks great. How does it feel?
Really comfortable. I like it.
Then buy it. If it's not comfortable, you won't wear it.
You're right. I'll get this one. Maybe I'll find more things to get to $50 for the extra discount.
Smart. Now you understand American shopping.
Hey, Anna.
Hi, Mike. Good to hear you.
How was your day?
Interesting. No power all day.
What? What happened?
A tree fell on the power line. They're fixing it.
Can you do anything?
I'm okay. I have a gas stove. Maria came over. We made coffee and went shopping.
Living without technology? I'm impressed.
At first, I was annoyed, but then it was nice. Very peaceful.
We should do that more. Just unplug.
Yes, once a week. Maria and I agreed.
Good idea. When does the power come back?
Between 8 and 9 p.m. tonight.
Good. Hey, I have news. Good news.
Really? What?
I bought my plane ticket today. I'm coming to visit you.
What? Really?
Yes. Next Friday. For 10 days.
Oh my God. That's amazing.
It's been too long.
I'm so excited. This is the best news ever.
We can celebrate when I get there.
I'm already planning. We'll go downtown, you'll meet Maria, try the pizza place.
Perfect. I just want to see you.
It will be so fun. Should I prepare anything?
No. Just seeing you is enough. Do you want anything from home?
No, just bring yourself.
Easy. Should I get a hotel?
No, you stay with me. I have a couch bed. It's comfortable.
Perfect. Thanks.
We'll be out most of the time anyway.
I'm really excited, Anna.
Me too. Video calls are the same.
I know. Okay, save your phone battery.
Oh, right. I'm at 30%.
We can talk tomorrow. When your power is back.
Okay. Hey, Mike. Thank you. This means a lot.
Of course. You're important to me. Now save that battery.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. See you Friday.
Today, Anna had no power. No coffee machine, no TV, no internet. But she had time. She had conversation. She had peace. Sometimes when things stop working, we start noticing what really matters. Connection, kindness, simple moments. You don't need a perfect day to feel happy. Thank you for listening, my friend. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.